Hello and welcome, visionary leaders and change makers. This is the first lesson in our Cultivating Kingdom Culture in Your Business series. Week 1 is Foundations of Kingdom Business. We aim to explore the biblical foundations of the business and discover how it can bring glory to God. We're diving into the heart of what it means to build not just a successful business, but a transformative one, guiding by the unchanging principles taught by Jesus. In a society driven by profit and competition, how can we, as Christian entrepreneurs, stand out and change the culture? How do we build businesses that don't just thrive economically, but enrich spiritually and morally? Let's explore this together. First and foremost, integrity. In Proverbs 11:3, we learn that the integrity of the upright guides them, but the crookedness of the treacherous destroys them. In business, integrity isn't just about honesty, it's about making your entire operation a reflection of your faith. This means transparent dealings, ethical marketing, and promises that are not just kept, but exceeded. Next, service. Mark 10:45 tells us, "For even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many." Your business is more than a source of income. It's a platform for service. Whether you're offering products or services, every transaction is an opportunity to benefit and uplift your customers' lives. Innovation. Being a Christ-centered entrepreneur also means being a creator, much like our Creator. God has endowed us with creativity, and it's our responsibility to use that gift to solve problems and improve lives. Ecclesiastes 9:10 says, "Whatever your hands find to do, do it with all your might." We are called to pursue excellence and innovation, making the best use of the resources we've been given. And finally, stewardship. Psalm 24:1 declares, "The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it." As stewards of God's creation, how can we manage our resources speaks volumes about our reverence for Him. This means sustainable practices, ethical resource management, and financial stewardship that prioritizes the well-being of employees and the community. Integrating Christ-centered principles into your business isn't just about what you avoid, but what you pursue. Pursue integrity, service, innovation, and stewardship. Let your business be a beacon of God's love and justice in your community and beyond. Thank you for being with me today. Remember, you can change the culture in your business by moving toward excellence in business, which also means embodying goodness in spirit and action. Let's lead the way in transforming the marketplace, reflecting Christ in every transaction we make, every relationship we nurture, and every challenge we overcome. God bless you and keep moving forward.